Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do exercise 5e. So let's discuss the question of exercise 5e. So let's come to the question number 1. Solution of the question number 1. So in this question, in a class 3 upon 8 of the students, that means 3/8 of the students are girls, and there are 72 students. So we can write down here total students. How many students are there, students? So there are 72 total student, and fraction, it is called fraction, that is 3 upon 8, it is called fraction of girls. Fraction of girls out of the total student is 3 upon 8. So if there are 8 students in the class, then in 8 students 3 students are girls. Is it clear? So we need to find out the number of girls. So number of girls we need to find out here. So how can you find out number of girls? So there is a formula. We can write down the fraction for girls. Fractions for fraction of girls multiply by total students. Okay, so in this question we need to write down fraction for girls. What is the fraction here? 3 upon 8 and multiply by total students. How many students are there? 72 students. So we can just simply cancel out 8 9 ja 72. In the previous exercise we have done the simplification. So now the number of girls came here 27. That is your answer of the question number 1. I hope you have understood this question. Now let's move to the question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, there are apple and oranges. How many apples and oranges in a basket? In a basket, total fruit equal to how many fruits? That's it. That is apple and orange. 125. And the number of oranges is, so not number, it is a fraction is given for the oranges, 7 upon 25. So we can find out the number of oranges. So it will become the total fraction of the oranges. What is the fraction? 7 upon 25. As the previous question, multiply the total fruits. Total fruit is 125. So 25 5 ja 125, 7 5 ja 35. So 35 oranges are there in the basket. But read the question here. How many apples are in the basket? देखो, in the basket there are oranges and the apples. So if we need to find out the apple number of apples, number of apples. number of apples will be total fruits, that is 125 minus 35. Rest of the fruit will be apples. So just subtract, you will get 5 minus 5 0, and 12 minus 3, that is 9, 90. So 90 is the answer. Is it clear? Now let's move to the next question. Now next, question number 3. Solution of the question number 3. Number of member in this question, number of members, total member are there 360, and the government officers are 80. Then in this question we need to find out fraction of businessman's fraction we need to find out. So first of all, let's find out the businessman. If from the 360 members 80 are government officer, then the businessman, number of businessmen will be 360 minus 80. How much? 280. 280 are businessmen there. Then we need to find out the fraction of businessmen. That will be the number of businessmen. You will write down here, number of businessmen upon total member. Okay, so just write down, number of businessmen is there 280 and total members are there 360. So just cancel out by which number? 4 7 ja 28, 4 9 ja 36. So 7 upon 9, that is your answer. Okay, now let's come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is there. Question number 4 is, a man has this much amount. Okay, so man have, write down just man have 3,37,500 rupees. Okay, 37,500 rupees. So in this amount he gave 7 upon 15 of his to his daughter and rest to his son. So how much does the son got? We need to find out how much son got. So the share of the daughter, how much is the share of the daughter? Daughter's share is 7 out of 15. That's mean if the man have 15 rupees, then 7 will get daughter. Okay, now we can find out daughter's share. This one is the fraction, so we can find out daughter's share. Daughter's share will be 7 upon 15, fraction of the daughter, multiply by the total amount man having 37,500. So just cancel this out. 15 2 ja 30, 15 5 ja 75. So this much amount, just multiply them, you will get 17,500 rupees. That is your answer. Now we need to find out son's share. In this question, what is the share of son. How can you find out? Just simply subtract. Total amount was the man having 37,500 minus 17,500. So you will get 20,000 rupees. All right. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5. So read the question number 5. A man earns 18,000 per month. Okay, just write down how much man earning in a 1 month. 18,000 rupees per month. All right. Now fraction of the household. In this question, fraction of the household. How much it is given in the question? 5/9. Okay, and fraction of the expenses. Fraction of expenses. How much it is given? It is 5/12. All right. So dear student, we need to find out if he have if the fraction of the household is this one and the expenses 5/12. We need to find out how much saving he is having. So saving. So we need to find out first of all fraction of saving. How can we find out fraction of saving? Simply we can, let's suppose he is earning 1. Okay, so out of 1, 5/9 for household, 5/12 for expenses, and the rest of will be the saving. So we need to just subtract from the 1. What we will subtract? Just add these two. 5/9 plus 5/12. Okay, now just solve this and you will get just take the LCM. LCM will be 36. 9 4 the 36, 4 5 the 20. 20 will come plus here 12 3 the 36, 3 5 the 15 will come here. Now just 1 minus here it will come 35/36. So when we will solve 36 LCM will be in the denominator, then 136 ja and 36 multiplied by 136 minus here it will come 35. So the fraction of the saving is 1/36. all right. So how much he was earning in a month? 18,000. And the fraction of saving is 1/36. So the saving will be just multiply by the fraction of saving. So total money he had 18,000. Okay, so just cancel out with 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 500. So saving is basically 500 rupees. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 6. question number 6 is there. The sum of three number is this much. So question number 6, just write down according to the question. See, the sum of three number is sum is given here. Let's suppose three number. First one will come here, second one will come here, third one will come here, and the sum is 2:1 upon 36. Okay, now if two of them are, first one is 7 upon, it is given there, 7 upon 12, and the second one 11 upon 8, and the third one we need to find out the third one. So let's suppose, let third number equal to x. So just write down x here. Okay, when we will solve this, so we need to take the LCM. Just take the LCM 12 and 8, you will get LCM 36. So when you will solve this, 12 3 ja 36, 3 7 ja 21, plus 8, this was 11 upon 18. So the LCM of 12 and 18 was 36. So 18 to the 36. So 2 multiplied by 11, that is 22, plus x equal to, here is mixed fraction, we will write down in the improper fraction. 36 2 is 72, plus 1 73 upon 36. So just solve this, you will get 43 upon 36, plus x equal to 73 upon 36. Then we need to find out this x now. So just write down x is equal 73 upon 36 minus 43 upon 36. Then the value, since the denominator is same of both fraction, so 73 minus 43, and you will get 30 upon 36. So when you will 5 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So the basically fraction is, the answer is in the fraction 5 upon 6. Okay, that is your answer. So third number is basically 5 upon 6. Is it clear to you? Okay, now let's come to the next question. Just note it. Okay, now let's come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is there. Question number 7. The product of two number is, let's suppose there are two number whose product is 5:1 upon 2. So just write down first number according to the question. One of them is 2:1 upon 12. Let's suppose the second number is x. So simply we need to find out the value of x. So here we need to find out the value of x. So just we can write down 12 to the 24 plus 1 25 upon 12 multiplied by x is equal to 5 to the 10 11 upon 2. The value of x will become, here just understand, because here is multiply sign and here the fraction, when it will come at the right side we will take the reciprocal of the fraction. So denominator we will write down at the upper side and the downside we will write down the numerator. So 2 6 ja 12. Okay, now in the question number 7, let me check it out. Dear student, it was 7 is to 1 upon 2. Okay, so just correct this. 7 is to 1 upon 2. 7 to the 14 plus 1, it is 15. Just write down 15 here. Also here you just write down 15. Now we can simply just cancel out 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25 and 3 6 ja 18 upon 5, and we can write down this fraction as 3 is to 3 upon 5 as answer. That is your answer. Okay, now just move to the question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. Product of 3 number is given. Product of 3 numbers is given 5 is to 1 upon 2. That's mean we can write down in the improper fraction 11 upon 2, and the first number is 2 is to 2 upon 7. That means 7 to the 14 plus 2 16 upon second 7, and second number we can write down 1 is to 3 upon 8. We can write down 11 upon 8, and the third number we don't know. We need to find out that third number. Okay, so let's suppose that is x. By these 3 number we can multiply and the product will be 11 upon 2. So just write down according to the question. So 16 upon 7 multiplied by 11 upon 8 multiplied by x is equal to 11 upon 2. So just solve this. 8 to the 16, so 22 upon 7 into x is equal to 11 upon 2. The value of x will become 11 upon 2. Here this fraction we will take the reciprocal here, so we can write down 7 upon 22. 11 to the 22, so 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4, that's mean we can write down in the mixed fraction 1 is to 3 upon 4 as the answer. Okay, now let's move to the question number 9. In the question number 9 it is given Mrs. Sharma spends 5,250 rupees. She left with 4 upon 25 of her salary. Okay, so now in this question let the salary. let the salary, because the question like this, it is you can see in the question, in question number 9, find her salary. So we will assume that the salary is equal to x, any variable you can assume. So now just very carefully see, according to the question, it is saying that 39 kg of rice is taken. So you can see Mrs. Sharma spent this much amount, she has spent from the salary. So x minus 5250 in the question number 9. So how much she will left? 4 upon 25 of salary. How much is salary here? You can see x is the salary here. So we will solve this. Okay, just write down x. This fraction will come at the left hand side. X minus 4x upon 25 is equal to 5250, and the denominator is here 1. So 25, we will take the LCM. 1 25 times 25x will come here, minus 4x will come here, 5250. So 21x, 25 minus 25x minus 4x, it will come 21x upon 25 equal to 5250. So we can see that this fraction is multiplied with the x. We need to find out x. So what we will do, dear students, we will take the reciprocal when we will take. So it will come here, this one. So when you will divide this, so you will get 250, and the value of x will come 6250 rupees. Okay, so that is our answer. The salary of the Mrs. Sharma was 6250 rupees. Just note it down in your notebook. Okay, now let's move to the next question and the last question of today. Question number 10. Quantity of rice is given. Quantity of rice is equal to x kg, we will assume here. And because read the question, 39 kg of the rice is taken out of the bag of the rice. 8 upon 21 of the rice is left in the bag. Find the quantity of rice. So quantity of rice we have assumed x kg. From that, according to the question, from x kg, 39 kg is taken out. So 8 upon 21 of the rice, that is x kg, is left there. So we can make this equation like this. Okay, now we will solve for the value of x. X minus 8x upon 21 is equal to 39. So x, denominator of x is 1, so 21 here, 21 times x minus 8x equal to 39. 21x minus 8x, you will get 13x upon 21 is equal to 39. The value of x 39, you will take the reciprocal. So reciprocal will be 21 upon 13. 13 3 ja 39. So 21 3 times, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 kg. That is your answer. All right. So